So today when I woke up, when I checked my Telegram account, I just noticed that actually I've been making money on Telegram for the past 7 to 8 months without me knowing. So let me just show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, so this is my Telegram account. Yeah, let me just show you what exactly I'm talking about. So I'm going to head over to my Telegram channel. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel, and currently it has got 2,935 subscribers. So what I did for me to find the money I've made is that I simply, okay, so what you have to do is click on the channel name. So in this case, I'm using Telegram on my Windows laptop. Then click on three dots. When you click on the three dots, you're going to see a new option called monetization. So when you click on the monetization here, you're going to have something like this. Okay, and this is the monetization we're talking about. Okay, and guess how much I made? Well, let me simply scroll down. Well, here's the money I've made. So this data here is showing that I've made this money from March 31st to today, which is December 9th. All right, I've made about 7.7 tons, which is equivalent to $51. But when I try to click on code, I simply have to enter in my password, then withdraw. But here's the thing. So the minimum I can withdraw is actually 10 uh, tons, which is about $70, somewhere there. So for now, all I need to do is simply make it to $70, then I'll be able to withdraw. Yeah. So in this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel. When I reach the stage of drawing, I'll make another video so that you can see how everything is done. So now let me explain about this monetization and how it all works. So here's the thing. So I knew about this monetization in Telegram, but I never really thought that in my country, Zambia, it would also be available. And this is why I didn't pay much attention to it. But it was only yesterday when I started scrolling through the settings of my channel and I realized that I have actually made some money, okay, without me knowing. So now since I've seen that I can actually make money from my channel from sharing things that I've shared, reading, teaching people and stuff like that, I think this is going to push me to even work more hard. Yeah. So now let me explain about the monetization and how it all works. Okay, so here is a link from Telegram. It's a blog about how the monetization works. So anyone with a channel on Telegram is actually eligible to make money, and there's nothing like where you have to apply, meet some requirements, sign some stuff. There's nothing like that. So as long as you've got a channel and you've got a minimum of 1,000 subscribers in it, you are eligible to earn money. All right, and you're going to be sharing revenue of 50%. Now here's the question: where does the money come from that we earn on Telegram? So this is where now I have to explain to you. Maybe this year or last year, Telegram introduced ads. All right, but these ads, they are very good and they are privacy friendly. They are different from adverts you see like on Facebook, Instagram, and all these other platforms. So Telegram introduced adverts, but these adverts you can only use them. So on Telegram now, let us say we've got two people, but remember also channel owners can as well advertise. So what happens is that you can now advertise on Telegram, but you can't just advertise anything. Like you can't enter links to your website or links to your shop. No, you can only advertise or promote your channels on Telegram. So what happens is that, okay, you buy the Tone coins. All right, you simply have to visit. Okay, so now to summarize the video, it's now possible to make money on Telegram if you're in countries like in Africa where usually the monetization never reaches. Telegram monetization is now available also in Africa. I myself am from Zambia and it does actually work. So for you to be able to withdraw this, you need some knowledge in crypto because you're going to be withdrawing the Tone coins, and when you withdraw that, you have to sell it to maybe convert it to USDT, then withdraw it, then sell the USDT, then get your fiat or your kwacha or the currency in your country. That's how it all works. Yeah. Luckily, I've got a full course on cryptocurrency if you are new to crypto and can definitely actually help you, or you can simply contact me and I'll guide you. So, if you're with the channel, you might want to check. Probably you've also made some money. So, simply WhatsApp me on this number and I will help you withdraw that if you need any help. Yeah. So, this is it about this video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. This is Keith.